All right, guys, welcome everyone to this live show. It's going to be back to back like never before. All our aims is to make sure we reach out to the world that we can assist some persons that have no low knowledge or non-knowledge at all about the crypto business. So, guys, I bring you good greetings this moment. And before we proceed, I want you to know that this platform is not for financial advice, but rather it's just a friendly advice. And also, if also you want to get some vital informations that can help you to make money for yourself, then just hit the subscription button and also activate the notification button. Okay, so while you're doing that, I want us to move to what I have to share today. As you can see, the market is getting set for massive income, for profiting, and I urge you guys to get yourself involved. Do not be a passerby, rather be among the top gainers in the crypto industry. Okay, and also I also want to urge you that you get knowledge about what is happening around blockchain. A lot of things is happening around. A lot of things is happening around. People are making money. And you know what? The money is excess in the blockchain. And what am I saying? Imagine over 1 trillion, 2 trillion, $3 trillion available in the blockchain industry on daily basis. Blockchain technology is taking the world by storm, and I urge you to be among and don't be a hearer of what is happening out there. Okay, so today I have some important informations I got to share with you guys uh, on some few laws about crypto. Okay, and I call it the 5 laws of crypto. The 5 laws of crypto. I call it the 5 laws of crypto. Okay, I call it what? The 5 laws of crypto. And if you pay attention very well, you will see and you're going to learn a lot of things from this video. So don't forget to click on the what? Subscription button and hit the bell for notification. I'll be doing a lot of videos to help the world, to help everyone interested to benefit from the ecosystem, from the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so hit the subscription button and what? The notification bell, and let us go. So I have 5 laws. I call it the 5 laws of cryptos. The 5 laws of cryptos. And what are the 5 laws of cryptos? Number 1, I call it thou shalt not be greedy. Thou shalt not be what? Greedy. Now I'm going to tell you something. Greediness always have a way of paying back. Greediness always have a way of paying back. So if you must be a successful crypto trader, firstly, you must deal with your what? Your greed levels. You must deal with your greed levels. Your greed level is as important as your profit. If you ignore the place of your greed, then that means you have ignored the place of your profit. And can I tell you this? Money you think is your profit, that is not in your hand, is not yet your profit. Until you do what? You cash out, that money does not belong to you. In some cases, when you're doing on future trading, you've seen 100%, you've seen 200%, you've seen 40%, any percentage. As a good trader, as a good wise investor, what happened? You take a profit. Profit you have not taken does not belong to you. So what am I trying to say? Shun and deal with greedy. If you are interested in doing crypto trading, crypto investments, then you must first of all deal with your greed what? Greed levels. Now let me tell you this. So imagine a guy, you bought into a certain project, let's say use as low as $100, and you bought into a particular coin, and few months later or few weeks later, the same coin you bought into with $100 have turned to $10,000, and you said, I'm not going to take out a dime on this project, but I am going to hold it until it gets to $1. So, for example, if this particular token still have about 3 zeros to cancel to enter 1 zero, because you're targeting that if it gets to $1, that means your $100 will turn to $200 million. Now, but as you have canceled some zeros, still about 4 zeros left, you say you're going to wait until it cancels the 4 zeros. Listen to me and listen very well. It may not cancel the 4 zeros this year. It may not cancel the 4 zeros next year. The reason because the crypto market is highly volatile. Yes, the crypto market is highly volatile. It can put in $100 in there, and the next thing you see 24 hours from when you put it in, it has turned to $5,000, it has turned to $20,000, it can even turn to $50,000. That's your $100. But the same $100 you put in there can get to $1,000, and you are so excited. Wow, my money is getting to a certain level. Wow, I'm happy. I'm happy. Crypto is sweet. Crypto money is sweet. And you have not taken the profit. And before you can know it, the next thing, the same project, the same market actually do what? Dip or crash, and goes from $1,000 to what? $50. In that case, what will you do? If your greed is high, you will have emotional issues. If your greed is high, it will put fear in you that crypto is a scam. If your greed is high, it will make you not to take your profit when it is necessary. If your greed is high, it will make you to try to use a smaller amount of money to make the highest amount of money, and therefore deal with your what? Your greed levels. So number 2, I go ahead. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also activate the bell as you're listening. So let's go forward, guys. Number 2, thou shall be patient with market. Thou shall be what? Patient with what? Market. Now, let me tell you this. Why do I say you should be patient with market? Because a lot of times, so many things happens in the market that people don't really understand it. Okay, so it must be what? Patient with the what? The market. Yes, it must be patient with the market. Now let's look at it this way. If you carried out your forensic research and you invested into a good project, there is no need for you to be what? To lack patience, to be impatient. There is no need. Rather, you have to be patient because you actually invested into a potential what? A potential project. Okay, that's why it is necessary for you to carry out forensic research before you make a what? Investment. And a situation whereby you don't know how to go about it, or you don't know how to do anything about cryptos, you want to learn about cryptos, we're going to drop our WhatsApp line on the platform below, and you're going to do what? Just join the general group. Then from there, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to us, and we can talk about it. We can help you to be trained. We can also help you to understand the market and help you to become a master of your own. And not just that, we also drop some daily calls and spot calls and NFTs. Every good project, you will have access to them. So right now, let's continue. So you must learn how to be what? Patient, most especially when you are involved in a very good what? Project. Okay, when you invest in a potential project, do not be on a haste to sell out. When you invest on a potential project, do not be on a haste to sell out. Do not lack patience in this business. If you lack patience in the crypto space, what will happen is that you will buy a certain token with $500 and you discover that what? The money have dropped from $500 you invested to $250. If you don't have patience, the next thing that will come to your mind is, let me go and sell off and reserve $250 before it goes off. That is not the way that crypto is done. That is not the way that a good investor mindset should rotate. Okay, so you must have patience. You must follow the market with what? Patience. Okay, Because if you understand the crypto calendars, if you understand the crypto events that plays out, then you will understand the reason why you should do what? Have patience. So guys, if you want to know more, like I said earlier, hit the link below and join either our Telegram handles or the WhatsApp group to reach out to us. So quickly, let me go ahead with number 3. What is number 3 laws of crypto? Number 3 laws of crypto is thou shalt not invest without understanding the risk involved. Thou shalt not invest without understanding the risk involved. Now, let me tell you something. In the crypto ecosystem, there are a lot of risk, okay? Let nobody deceive you. And that's why it is necessary for you to belong to a genuine community with proofs, with results. So in the crypto ecosystem, there are a whole lot of what? Of risk, a whole lot of risks out there. Either you invest in a shit coin, or you invest in a wrong coin, or your research is not proper, or you invest in a wrong project. These are the risks involved, or the high volatility levels of the market. These are the risks involved, or you mistakenly send money or buy the wrong project with the wrong address. These are the risks involved. So first of all, you must understand that if you take a risk, then you will make it big. With that risk, you cannot make it big. But I'm not actually suggesting or telling you that you should take the wrong step in taking a certain risk. Rather, the risk you need to take right now is your time, the risk of time, the risk of resources, the risk of energy is the risk you need to take, and the risk of what? Knowledge. So these are the risks you need to take. If you can take these risks, then you have escaped the dangerous evil risk in the ecosystem, so that people cannot scam you, or you will not buy into a certain project and the next thing you see, the few minutes you see, the market have actually crashed, or you buy into a certain project that one person is holding more than 40%, 60% of that